Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Experimental Kids. So today, I don't know which beach we came to. I think it's the Milky Beach. The Milky Beach. Oh, am I getting the proper view? Oh yeah, the Milky Beach. And there's a thing, a very big boat. Let me just zoom in. It's the ferry. I don't know how to pronounce it, so it's just the ferry. Am I zooming too fast? Yeah, it's the ferry, and we're about to go on it. And we're kind of late, so hopefully, they don't go. So if they leave, we're gonna wait. We're gonna have to wait for half an hour for it to come back. That's gonna be a pain. So where's the ferry? There. Hope you don't leave. Oh yeah, I don't even know where to go to board the thing, bruh. Oh, I see. You gotta get on that bridge. And then ding 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 over to the ferry. Guess I'm going there. Run as fast as you can. Oh yeah, I'm done running. I'm just gonna go to the ferry and be right back. Guys, I suck at filming, so if you're having trouble watching the video, it's not my fault. My sister does the filming. I do the stuff. I don't know how to film. So bear with me. So guys, I'm here. The stairs to the Orca. Oh wait, why am I zoomed in? My bad, sorry guys. This is okay. So up we go. One stair up. Oh my! 2 stairs. Oh wait, huh? Only 2. Up. Where do I go? We gotta scan the ticket. I think it's leaving.
Gotcha.
Guys, we have to get through, and I tried to open it with pushing my hand, and it killed my thigh really hard. Oh wait, it's a steep run. Can I do it in 3, 2, let's go! Oh wait, there's snow here. Snow. Oh my gosh, those things are spinning. This is the ferry. Well, it didn't leave on us. So. Now what? Now what do we do? Whoops. Finally, we're on my seat. My legs hurt. We came to the beach. So, oh wait, my sister. Hello. Say hi. Hello. Bruh. Oh my gosh, she's squat. Oh, hey. Can we just? No way. Bro. Oh my God. Akka, film me. Just film me.
Bro, this is so nice.
My God.
Look at the humongous ocean.
My God.
I think I might drop your phone into the ocean.
I think I will kill you.
There you go.
Up. This is sick. It is so sick. Guys, I'm standing on the dock of a boat. Never did this in my life. I love the boat we got in India. Oh wait, there's cars. Huh? Motorcycles. They import cars as well. What? Well, I didn't know that. Whoa. Why is that water like bzz out of the bowl. Anyway, oh, there's one more. I'm gonna go there real quick. Wait, why is there?
So that people and cars don't fall off.
Oh. Well, I think they're good. Why is the stuff coming out? Oh. Who are those people? Oh. Guys, this boat is free for children. So, I mean, might as well die. Well, why is the stuff coming out of the boat? The water stretches out for miles. My 10 times zoom in also cannot fit the whole thing. Oh, there. Oh, there's stuff coming out of the ocean, and I'll be right back after the boat starts moving. We're going back inside. Gotta be quiet. Gotta be quiet. Oh wait, there's an inside view as well of the stuff if you don't want to get. It smells. It smells in here. It smells bad in here. It smells like fish. I don't like the smell. Guys, there's a wind. Yo, sick.
A lot of them.
Actually, just 4, but
Ooh, which one do you want to get?
Flaming Hot Cheetos.
No, let's get a Ruffle. I want to try that.
Bruh, Ruffle sucks.
You didn't try it.
Yes, I did.
No, I didn't.
Cheetos?
Gummies. Sour Patch.
Sour Patch?
Yes,